I found his spear. It's broken. He was running from something.
Oh no. More cultists?
I don't think so. Stay vigilant.
Oh shit. We're about to have a boss fight for sure. Oh my god, is that him? No shot. Bro, he's not dead, right?
Brother!
No way in hell he's dead, bro. He's just asleep.
He's gone.
No, he's not.
It's not fair. This can't be how it ends.
His wounds. He was mauled by something. Something big.
What the
Did you hear
fuck? Bro, we've been trying to find him for so long. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god, what the hell? Chill. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, relax. Stupid that. Whoa, whoa. Nice. Wow, I actually can't believe he's fucking dead. Are you kidding me, bro? That's so unfortunate. Oh my god, relax. Okay. Get down. Do that. Yeah. Good shit, good shit. Yo, this boss is crazy. What the fuck is this? It has like a... It has like 2 heads? What the hell? Oh my god. Nice, nice, nice. Wrong way. Complete wrong way. Oh, nice, nice, nice this time. Do that. What else, bitch? Whoa! Oh, parry that bitch. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. What else? Okay, okay. Come on. You're done. Come on, come on! Come on! Big fucking damage. Oh my god, what the hell? The background. Oh! What are we doing? What the actual fuck? Oh my god. Relax, relax. Are you joking me? Die, bitch, die! Oh, you're done, you're done. Easy mode. That was a sick boss, though. And a gold trophy.
He used his training and fought to his last breath.
Bro, can we, like, revive him? There's actually no fucking way.
Spartan.
Give him the Opal Wellness or some shit, bro. Oh my god.
I hate this.
Yeah, me too.
He died on
Yeah.
his feet.